Today, in the era of constant change, education isn't about learning facts. It requires a blend of practical experience and training to nurture talent. We at Ansal University promise you the education that is not limited to the textbooks. Here, we offer you an experience and pure joy of practical knowledge.
On behalf of Ansal University, Gurugram, Haryana, I, the Vice Chancellor, Dr. D.N.S. Kumar, welcome you all to this temple of knowledge. With 8 contemporary schools that we have, our focus is towards building higher education which is contemporary, which is applied, and which can build the perspective for global development.
In the heart of India's largest hub of national and Fortune 500 companies, Ansal University, Gurugram offers a wide range of professional courses under 8 schools from architecture and design to engineering, planning and development to law, and from hospitality and management to health sciences. Our academic collaborations with more than 15 international universities give them global exposure of unmatched standards.
We are not only in the middle of all the multinationals, but also in the middle of the most vibrant startup culture in India that gives an opportunity for our students to learn the most amazing advanced skills which are required by the industry.
The legacy of Chiranjeev Charitable Trust in the realm of higher education goes back to 1989. This was a time when, to bridge the gap in Indian architectural education, Mr. Sushil Ansal laid the foundation of Sushant School of Art and Architecture. Under the guidance of Padma Shri M.M. Rana, the late fellow of Frank Lloyd Wright Foundation, the school made its mark in the field of architectural education. The trust expanded to establish the Ansal Institute of Technology in the year 2000. The Sushant School of Design was instituted a decade later in 2010. It was in the year 2012 when Sushant School of Institutions came under the Ansal University. Ansal University has been awarded the National Education Excellence Award for the Best Private University in Northern India 2017. Along with CSR Excellence in Education for 2 consecutive years, 2017 and 2018. Sushant School of Art and Architecture at Ansal University is the flagship school which has been consistently ranked #1 private architecture school in India. At Ansal University, the course curriculum is designed as per the industry demand, which makes our students industry ready.
We are a 30-year-old school with an enormous network of alumni who are settled all over the world. We offer BArch program and 4 master's programs. These programs are accredited by Council of Architecture. We are also positioning our school internationally, so we work very closely with the University of Westminster and Bartlett.
I feel architecture is what is learned in conversations with our teachers, with the faculty, with other people in the same field.
We recently had the International Planning and Architecture Conclave, where we invited a lot of international and national faces to our college, where we were able to interact with them one-on-one.
India, of course, is famous, is well known for its craft, but beyond craft, what we are now excited about is that there is an amalgamation of craft and technology. We are also part of the bigger university and part of very so close to the Sushant School of Art and Architecture. We tie up with the University Arts College Bournemouth in London. Students go there at the end of their foundation course for 3-4 week summer program. We also have a tie-up with King Mongkut University of Technology in Thailand.
School of Engineering and Technology at Ansal University has a 20-year-old legacy. The main USPs of the schools are experiential learning, hands-on training, in addition to their learning about the basics of engineering. We have collaborations with world-renowned universities, University of West of England, Bristol, UK. We also have industrial collaborations with Lucidius, where we are running our flagship program in BTech in cybersecurity.
Battelle Hotel and Tourism Business School is a premium institution which offers hospitality management education to the students. Our USP for this program is industrial training of the students right from the first year to the fourth year, giving them a lot of industry exposure and experience.
Battelle course is for 4 years as of now in India, and we are the only ones who are offering a specialty course in the 4th year. And here at the campus, we have got about 4 running kitchens, 2 restaurants, the one that's supposed to be the new one that's called as Battelle Epicure, and we always encourage kids to be a part of it. They have been learning about the cocktails, mocktails, they've been learning about master classes from people from Nestle, and that is how the kids here are growing.
The faculty here is amazing. They answer all your doubts and your queries, and they help you along the way. They'll teach you in and out of the industry completely.
From disciplinary to transdisciplinary, from classroom learning to innovation, from theory to practice, from a student to a professional. This is the kind of transition we are aimed at in giving to all our students at School of Law, Ansal University, Gurugram. We are proud to say that we are ranked #1 promising law school by GHRDC 2019.
School of Health Sciences has many professional degree courses other than the MBBS and nursing. We have collaborations with the industry, not only from India but international collaborations which train these students on the best of techniques which are in the world.
Sushant School of Business at Ansal University is a new age business school which prides itself for its experiential learning and high class teaching pedagogy. Sushant School of Business has some amazing tie-ups, one of which is with the University of Warwick, UK. We have also tied up with organizations like CIMA of UK, ACCA of UK and the Institute of Analytics in UK.
Under the Corporate Resource Center, practical workshops and internships are an integral part of the curriculum. With more than 250 recruiters, Ansal University gives a kickstart to your career. Come and be a part of the Center of Excellence.